What's going on, everybody? We got a teardown for you today. Today we'll do a teardown on a SKY Elite D65, a little bit of a newer phone. If you have one of these and you got to take it apart, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you guys want to see a teardown on a specific device, just drop a comment and we'll try to get those up first. We'll be putting up a lot of teardowns, in no particular order. But if there's any requests, we'll try to get those up sooner than later and so people can see. But otherwise, let's get right into this. Also, just so you guys know, when you do a teardown, you can obviously damage some parts more in the process. So understand your skill level and what you're capable of, and if you don't think you can do it, and it's obviously sometimes better to leave it to a professional. But otherwise, let's get into this. So first thing we got to do is take off the back cover. Got this nice external battery. We'll take that out to the side. Then we got all these screws we got to pop out. So let's get on work on that. Got our handy screwdriver, a little screw holder. I'm gonna try to move this up a little bit so you guys can see some of this a little bit better. Screws down and out. Alright, double check you got all the screws out. I have a habit of missing one or two here and there. It makes it a little bit harder when we're taking stuff apart. Let me zoom back out so you guys can see the rest of the phone a little bit better. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our spudger or pry tool. This is the one that I use. I actually sharpen mine a little bit so I can get underneath a little bit better. Just use a file to kind of file it down a little bit. So what works best for me, you can use a plastic one or other options. There's basically no wrong way of doing it. It's just more of whatever you prefer. I try to get closer to the corners and try to pry up a little bit gently, because you never know what's tied underneath some of these covers. Usually when it gets close enough to just take off by hand, I'll take off by hand. There's your camera lens mid-frame. All right. So here, we'll have our motherboard, and we do have a couple of screws, I believe, in this one. There's one right there and one right there, and there's none on the bottom to worry about, so we'll take those two screws out first. So this device is built a little bit different than some of the other SKY devices, where you should take a little bit extra caution when taking this apart, just because you can easily break some things in this, including like this loudspeaker and microphone over here, because it's just this giant wire, or two giant wires coming down this way. And when you're trying to pull out the motherboard, it's easy to rip sometimes. The biggest damage issue that I always see with these when you try to remove this is actually the rear camera. So if you've seen my other videos, you guys will know that I usually like to leave the cameras attached and take them off at the end. This is one of the few cases where you don't want to do that, because the angle that the board is, it will actually rip that camera cable, that rear camera cable completely. So I've done it a couple of times myself and learned from my mistakes. So I wanted to share with you guys so you guys don't make the same mistake as me. And the flex is the power volume flex is pretty fragile as it is too. So as you guys know, I like heat, and I'm just going to add a tiny bit of heat. To the flex and vibration motor. You don't really have to do this. It's just, I find it easier for me. So what might work for me might not work for somebody else, but I just figured to tell you guys. So we'll get under here real quick, and we'll pry this from here. Go up, careful, don't cut that. Go to the other side. And so our flex, which is soldered, is nice and loose. Then I will go in and I will pop this vibration motor. It just comes out like butter when it's a little hot. So that's my my tip for the day for you guys today. And we'll slide out this camera cable because we don't want to rip it. And you can see where the board is. When you lift the board up, it just tends to rip that cable off. We then have the ear speaker, which is also connected via wire. So we'll pop that bad boy real quick, nice and gentle. And then we will go down here and I will pop the microphone. That should come out pretty easily. And then the loudspeaker as well. There's a little slot right here where you can enter a flathead. Sorry, the one I'm using right here is a little bit too thick. Makes it a teeny bit harder. Let me run the other way with this pry tool over here. And when you're pulling this out, if you do a scratch on here, it's fine. Just try not to puncture it. The scratch doesn't really do anything, but the puncture might make the sound a little better. So we'll lift this up this way. So that's out of the way. And then we'll come in here, we'll pull out our coax. Usually if you just gently lift it up from the back, it comes right off. We have a flex cable over here. I need something skinnier. So before somebody gets mad at me for using a sharp tool, I'll use a plastic tool instead. Pull that out, and pop this bad boy. Pull this out. That's your main, sorry about that, main flex connector. I apologize, I was trying to do a video while taking the apart. It's a little more difficult than it looks because you're constantly trying to look at the phone and the camera at the same time, so it makes it a little bit confusing on where you're at. Then we will lift up the motherboard, and that just slides out just like butter. And you have your speaker still attached, hanging. And then you can put this into the new screen, or if you're replacing something else, you know, I mean, realistically, this is just a screen replacement. And then we got to do the camera. So get in here, and let's pry it out a little bit. It's usually like sticky paper that's on here. And there it goes. And there's your rear camera. And your coax hits this PCB down here as well with this flex. If you need to take that out, you can. And that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to leave this in just because, well, I'll take it out for you guys for the video. Why not? Yep. Add that handy dandy heat real quick. There you go. And that bottom PCB is out as well too. And that is how you do a teardown on a SKY Elite D65. I hope you guys found this helpful. Like I said, if you do, if you could like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that would be appreciated. We'll be working on getting a lot more phones up. Some budget phones, some mid-grade phones, some high-end phones, a little bit of everything. So if you guys have any questions or comments, any feedback is always helpful. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Until next time.